In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Trello in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing a project, organizing tasks, or coordinating team schedules, integrating Trello with Google Calendar can streamline your workflow and help you stay on top of deadlines. Let's dive right in, ensuring you have a clear step-by-step guide to make this integration smooth and efficient. First, make sure you have a Trello board that contains cards with due dates. This is essential, as these due-dated cards are what will sync with your Google Calendar. Open up your Trello board and you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in your Trello board, you need to enable the calendar view. If you haven't done this yet, you can activate it through the Power Up menu or find it within the board menu options. This feature will allow you to visualize your tasks by their due dates, offering a clearer timeline of your projects. Once the calendar view is enabled, it's time to sync it with your personal calendar. Look for the option Sync to Personal Calendar within the calendar view. Clicking this will generate a unique calendar URL that you can use to integrate with Google Calendar. A prompt will appear, and all you need to do is click on Copy to copy this URL to your clipboard. This URL is crucial because it acts as the bridge between Trello and Google Calendar. Next, let's head over to Google Calendar. Open it up in your browser so you're ready to set up the integration. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with various calendar options. Look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Here you'll find a small plus sign. Click on this plus sign to reveal additional options for calendar customization. From the drop-down menu that appears, select From URL. A field will pop up where you can paste that Trello calendar URL you copied earlier. Simply paste the URL into this field, ensuring it's accurate and complete, as any missed details might prevent the sync from working correctly. The final step is clicking Add Calendar. Once you do this, your Trello calendar will begin syncing with Google Calendar. You should see your Trello tasks and their due dates appear within your calendar, allowing you to manage your schedule more effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated your Trello board with Google Calendar. This seamless integration enhances productivity by keeping all your tasks and deadlines in one easily accessible location. Whether you're planning weeks ahead or just a few days, this combined view will help keep your projects on track. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.